students, how are you? I'm fine. I hope all are fine. So today we are going to discussing JEE Mains January 2020 very beautiful chapter capacitors questions. So what are the questions asked shift wise we are going to discussing. So shall we start questions? Yeah. The first question is asked a parallel plate capacitor with plate area A and plate separation D is filled with a dielectric material of dielectric constant given by K is equals to K naught of 1 plus alpha x. Calculate capacitance of system. A given alpha D less than 1. Okay. So I hope understood this question. Actually given diagram. See question number 1. This is the capacitors filled with dielectric. Okay, and this distance is given x, this total distance is d. Okay, now the dielectric constant K is equals to K naught of 1 plus alpha x. Okay, and this capacitance area is given A. So we have to derive here system capacitance. Okay, we know capacitors in without dielectric capacitance C is equals to A epsilon naught by D. And this is the without dielectric, and with dielectric C is equals to K epsilon naught A by D. This is with dielectric. Okay, this our question is asked area of the dielectric K is equals to K naught of 1 plus alpha x. Okay, so shall I write here C is equals to K epsilon naught A by D with dielectric capacitance formula, and C is equals to K into K value is K naught of 1 plus alpha x into epsilon naught A by, and distance is we don't know here. How do we derive directly capacitance, total system capacitance? So we have to consider here small part of the dx, this small part of the dx. Okay, now distance is d is equals to dx. Now d is equals to dx writing here. So C is equals to, and now we don't know how do we derive this one. We are doing here reverse of capacitance. 1 by C is equals to here dx by K naught of 1 plus alpha x into epsilon naught A. Okay, this step understood now students and everyone. Okay, and next one here integrating this function d by dx by K naught of 1 plus alpha x epsilon naught A. Okay, now integrating this one, so integration 1 by 1 plus ax, so this integration formula 1 by a into log 1 plus ax. I hope understood this formula. So here also 1 by 1 plus alpha x is there. So 1 by c equal to, so this is constant value. So shall I write here outside K naught epsilon naught A. So integration 1 by alpha x. So 1 by alpha and log of 1 plus alpha x, and limits also is there. What are the limits? See here limits are 0 to d. So limits are 0 to d. So I hope understood this one. So we are doing total capacitance of the integration. So after that we know here 1 by c equal to and 1 by K naught epsilon naught A. So 1 by alpha upper value minus lower value. So we'll get this one log of log 1 first one z upper value means here 1 plus alpha d, and remaining value 0. So I hope understood this all steps. So shall I go next step? So I am rubbing here. So remember these formulas. So after that 1 by c equal to 1 by K naught epsilon naught A. So 1 by alpha, and here log 1 plus alpha d. we have one formula. So log of 1 plus alpha d means here log of 1 plus x formula. I'm writing here 1 plus x. X is equals to, so x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3. So this model one formula is the logarithms values. And next here 1 by alpha into this formula alpha d minus alpha square d square by 2. I hope understood this one. So next step I am discussing. So 1 by c equal to, you take here 1 by k naught epsilon naught a into alpha d is common thing by alpha, so 1 minus alpha d by 2. So next here c is equals to alpha cancel. I am doing 1 by inverse of the capacitance, so c equal to, so a k naught epsilon naught a by d, and this is also inverse of 1 minus alpha d by 2. Okay, next here c equal to k naught epsilon naught a by d of, this is the inverse of alpha d by 2 inverse 1. We have one formula 1 plus or 1 minus x whole power minus 1 equal to 1 minus 1 plus x. Okay, binomial expansion formula. Okay, I hope understood this one also. So finally I am writing here c equal to k naught epsilon naught a by d into 1 plus alpha d by 2. This is the final thing. Okay, I hope understood this one, everything, every concepts and all steps. So options are given: k naught epsilon naught a by d 1 plus alpha square d square. The second option k naught epsilon naught a by d 1 plus alpha d by 2, and same like that here. Okay, option 2 is correct too. So comparison k naught epsilon naught a by d 1 plus alpha d by 2. So this option is, second option is correct. Okay students, next question. The second question asked January 7, 2020, shift to 2 question. A capacitor of 60 picofarad charged to 20 volt. Now battery is removed and then this capacitor is connected to another identical uncharged capacitor. Find heat loss in nanojoules. Okay, so I hope understood question. See here question number 2. Question number 2 asked here. So first one, capacitor is connected battery. So capacitor given 60 picofarad. Okay, 1 picofarad equal to 10 to the power of minus 12 farad. Okay, next here voltage is given 20 volts. Battery connected. Now first battery is removed. Now battery is removed. Next identical capacitor is connected. See here, capacitor is connected, and C and C both are same. So now voltage initially V0. When I connected same capacitor, so here distributing V0 by 2. This is also V0 by 2 and this is also V0 by 2. Here distributing potential voltage is equals to V0 by 2. So I hope understood this one. Next here we know heat loss equal to, one formula is there, heat loss is equals to here Ui minus Uf. So we know energy in capacitor, energy stored in a capacitor formula. So capacitor and voltage relation 1 by 2 half CV square. Okay. Okay. Here charge, not charge and capacitor relation, only capacitor and voltage relation. So energy is equals to 1 by 2 C into, this is the heat loss. So 1 by 2 C into V square. Okay. Minus half into, now capacitor is connected parallel combination. So parallel combination means here 2 into C, and voltage is equals to how much here, half voltage V0 by 2 whole square. So I hope understood this step. Next to heat loss is equals to 1 by 2 into CV square minus 2 to cancel here, CV naught square by 4. Okay. Next heat loss is equals to, and here LCM 4 to CV square minus this V naught, okay, and V naught square. So finally CV naught square by 4. So we know what is the values are there. C value 60 into 10 to the power of minus 12, and V naught square means here V naught square 400 by 4. So 4 ones are 400s. Okay, clear this one. 10 power minus 12, 3, 10 power and 6 into 10 power minus 9. So this is the 6 nanojoules. I hope understood this question also. Here final answer is options are given, no option. This is a numerical value type question, and 6 nanojoules. I hope understood this question also. Thank you very much. And next question we are going to discuss in January 8. Shift 1 question. If two capacitors C1 and C2 are connected in parallel, then equivalent capacitance is 10 microfarad. If both capacitance are connected across 1 volt battery, then energy stored by C2 is 4 times of C1. Then the equivalent capacitance if they are connected in series is. Okay, I hope understood question. So options also given, 4 option. Okay, question number 3. See here, two capacitors are connected, parallel combination C1 and C2. And battery is given 1 volt. Okay, V is equals to 1 volt. So C1 plus C2 is also given how much? 10 microfarad. Okay. Next, C2 is energy stored in C2 is 4 times of the C1. See here, energy is stored 4 times of the. So here half C1 V square 4 times of half C2 V square. C2 is 4 times of the C1. I hope understood these 2 steps. This is the first one, and second one, half CV square cancel here. C2 is equals to 4 C1. Okay, I hope understood this step also. Just asking what is the series combination of the 2 capacitors. We don't know C1 and C2 value, and this is the second one. So from 1 and 2 here given C1 value, C1 plus 4 C1 equal to 10 microfarad. So okay, so 5 C1 equal to 10 and C1 equal to 10 by 5. So 2 microfarad C1 value. So C2 value how much? Here C2 value, C1 is 2 and C2 is equals to 10 minus 2. And C2 is equals to 8 microfarad. But our question asking here series combination of the 2 capacitors. So very simple series combination of the capacitors. 1 by C is equals to, I hope you are not clear. So I am writing here. See here, series combination of capacitors. So 1 by C is equals to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. So this one C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. So result is finally here how much C1 value 2 into 8 by, this is C1 plus C2, 2 plus 8. So 16 by 10. So 1.6 is answer, microfarad. Okay, I hope understood this one. And final, see here options what are the given: 1.6 microfarad, 16 microfarad, 4 microfarad, 1 by 4 microfarad. So first option is correct, 1.6 microfarad. So okay, answer is 1.6 microfarad. First option is correct. And next question, G Main 2020 January 8 shift 2 question. The very lengthy question asked, and same variation dielectric relations. So your question is, and next shift to 9th January, shift 1, shift 2, no questions. Okay, but given that RC capacitors and EM waves, electromagnetic induction related questions are there, capacitor resistors combination questions, but we are going to discussing only capacitor questions here. So question is asked, two square plates of side A are arranged as shown in the figure. The minimum separation between plates is D, and one of the plate is inclined at small angle alpha with plane parallel to another plate. The capacitance of capacitor is given alpha is very small. Okay. Question number 4 is given diagram. This is the parallel plate and this angle is given alpha angle, small angle, distance is D and this is the distance is A. Okay. So how do we derive this capacitance? So basically we know capacitance definition, C is equals to A epsilon naught by D. C is equals to A epsilon naught by D. This is the variable capacitor. So here do know A is equals to area. So we have to consider here small part. This is the small part of the distance is, take here dx. Now area, this part of the area is equals to A into dx. I hope understood this one. Next we don't know total distance here. So total distance, as let take here length is, this length is take x, we are considering x length, and total distance, this distance is equals to how much, d plus, and this distance is equals to a into x, sorry, alpha into x, alpha into x. So d plus alpha x. How alpha x? Distance is equals to length into angle. So angle is alpha is given. So finally here C equal to A epsilon naught by D. So here C equal to, this is the small part of the capacitance. DC is equals to small element. This is the DC. And A epsilon naught by D. A value A into dx epsilon naught by, and this D is equals to how much, total distance D plus alpha x. Now integrating both sides, see what happened here, integration DC we know, and integration here constant value epsilon naught A integration 1 by D plus alpha x into dx. I hope understood this time. Next integration DC, C equal to epsilon naught A and log of, this is the log 1 by alpha log of D plus alpha x, and limits also are there. So what are the limits here? Limits 0 to A, total distance 0 to A and 0 to A, and next here after integration log substituting here blah blah blah, next here epsilon naught A, and here 1 by alpha is constant log of upper value minus lower value, upper value of log of D plus alpha of A and minus log of D, only log D, and this is the 0. So C equal to epsilon naught A by alpha and log A minus B, log of D plus alpha A by D. So we are getting here C equal to epsilon naught A by alpha, and here log of how much here, 1. We know logarithm formulas. So logarithms and formulas here. So log 1 plus x formula. So x minus x square by 2 and so on. Okay. And here also a log of 1 plus alpha A by D. So shall I write here C equal to epsilon naught A by alpha, and this value is alpha A by D minus alpha square A square by D square. Okay, this formula applied here. So next here C equal to, I am writing here C here. So C equal to epsilon naught A by alpha, and common thing alpha A by D, and remaining value 1 minus alpha A by D. So alpha alpha cancel here. So final answer epsilon naught a square by d. Here 1 plus alpha a by d. I hope understood this one, all steps. So these are the capacitors questions asked. January 9th, first shift, second shifts, no capacitor questions, and where some other concepts related asked like electromagnetic induction and alternating current questions related RC circuits are given. So we'll discuss later that questions, and these are the capacitors questions. Thank you very much.